Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and enabling two-factor authentication. This prevents delays. Once logged in, choose a secure network, open the console, and sign in with your credentials. Make sure to pick the Schedule 1 workspace and then the Only Way profile. This sets the correct context. Now, verify the header shows Schedule 1 and Only Way. If not, switch profiles immediately because the rest of the flow depends on that exact workspace and role selection. Now you perform the middle steps, open the Only Way job and load the active schedule. You will edit entries inline for one item or use the bulk editor when updating many records. This saves time. Once edits are complete, run the console per-flight check to surface conflicts or missing fields. If errors appear, address them before staging. After validation, stage the changes so they are grouped for final review. This ensures consistency and avoids partial updates that can break the schedule. Finish by submitting the staged changes for approval. You should monitor the workflow status until it completes. Once approved, confirm the published Schedule 1 entries reflect Only Way updates. If submission fails, open the console error log, revert staged items, and correct the root data in source fields before retrying. Make sure to clear browser cache and re-authenticate if the interface shows stale data or locked records. This simple step often resolves false failures and prevents unnecessary rollbacks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.